Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover hierarchical query. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover hierarchical query. We can use start with clause to identify starting point for tree structure. Connect by clause to specify how to traverse tree structure. No cycle clause is used to avoid ending up in loop. Connect by condition must be qualified with prior operator. Level is used to get level of row tree structure. Also, we can pad spaces at left, using lpad function with level clause, to highlight hierarchy of employees. In the next program, I am going to cover connect by root and path. We can use connect by root to connect each row with its own root, and sysconnect by path to display full path from root to current row. Also, we can order using siblings option if required. In the next program, I am going to cover connect by isLeaf. We can use connect by isLeaf pseudo column to identify rows which do not have descendants. In the next program, I am going to cover connect by isCycle. We can use connect by isCycle to detect which row is cycling. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on Oracle SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.